Hello, this is Fred Wellerman at Braeside Allotments. Just thought I'd come down and have a look, see what's going off. I've heard there's some high winds coming again tonight, so I thought I'd just show you what's going off. There's my cabbages, nice and big. Onions, good grief, they're getting bigger, they'll be like bloody footballs. Peas are finally coming. Got some iceberg lettuce there, so that's looking good. Onions, red onions, yeah, they're leaning a bit, so could be standing them up, but it don't matter, it'll be alright. And of course we've got the shallots and the beetroot and the chard. Oh, they're coming on like a treat, they're flipping flying up there. Right, they're still covered up, the old strawberries. I'll be picking them some next week, I think. And runner beans, sweet corn. Yeah, I've had to net my Brussels sprouts because pigeons have been at them, nibbling them, so I've netted it up this morning, so that's okay. Fruit trees, yeah. Spinach, I've already took a lot of leaves off. I had them for tea yesterday, very nice. Half late. Leeks are really coming on now. Oops, tripped all the netting there. So leeks are coming on. Oh, Bill's gone absolutely apeshit. He's had to net his brassicas because pigeons have been at him. Took a chunk out of them all. So he's not very happy with that. Right. Let's have a look at my spuds. Oh, finally, the carrots are coming. Hooray! Spuds, they're looking really good. I've filled them to the top now. There's only this one. I've filled them to the top, most of them, and I've got some here want filling up eventually, but I'll do it later. So yeah, I need to get some more compost as well. But yeah, everything's looking okay. I've opened one window. The polytunnel. Let's have a look inside. So we're fine. God, it's nice and warm here. So as you can see, tomatoes are coming on the flipping, they're shooting up now all of a sudden. I think they've grown another 3 inches since I come yesterday. So, butterhead lettuces, they're always doing well. And the Chapelinos and the chilies, they're doing okay. I've started putting seaweed feed in for tomatoes, but I might be a bit premature, but I don't know. But they're coming on alright. Temperature is 38, so that's not too bad. So, well, I better get going. I've got a delivery coming. So I better get sorted. I've got some compost being delivered. Well, I'm ordering some compost. It's very difficult to get it these days. Anyway, I'll shut this. Shut it. Yeah, fruit trees are all doing very well, they're okay. Yeah. I don't know about the French beans, they're looking a bit sad. Might have to pull them up and put some more Brussels sprouts in. Mind you, the muck's not that good. I could do with putting some extra muck in there. But everything's okay, everything seems to be okay. Everything's looking good. Pleased with leeks, they've took really well, so that's okay. So yeah. Right, I'm going to love you and leave you now, back home. Just a few things to do in the garden. So if you like what you see, press the like button, and if you want to subscribe, please do so. But and any information, anything you need to know, please ask. Bye now.